finally have things put back together. I got a little heater running in here. It's kind of cold, but everything on my to-do board up there is done. I stopped the seeping issue of fuel in this tip tank, and it looks a lot better than it did. So only thing left to do is I got to connect the cow flap underneath. I guess I'll do that now while I'm here, and then I think it's ready to fly finally. Well, let's see, it's Saturday, about the 11th, I think, of February. Saturday, February 11th, 2023. And I'm headed to the airport. It'll be my first flight since my annual. I started, well, my last flight was in October. So it's been a little bit, but it's a beautiful day. There's hardly any wind, and that's what I'm always looking for an enjoyable flight anyways. And this should be one. Again. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing. Yeah, same side. No, there's one here. Yeah. But that set screw's not holding it. Yeah.
It could be stripped in the thing, though, in the knob.
Yeah, it could be loud. I can't see in there. That's the problem. But I got a little Allen wrench this time. Yeah, it flew good. Made a good landing. Decent landing. Well, at least I got up and put a little bit of time on the engine. When I took off the first time, my door latch fell off. There's a little set screw up here that sometimes works loose. Well, thank God this door has 3 latches, because you know it stayed closed, remained closed. But still, you don't want to fly around with a door flapping around. So I landed and got that fixed, and for at least put back on. Then I went out and went over to my friend's house. He has his own field. I was going to land there, but there were some pirate hang gliders hanging around his place. He said there's 2 of them. I'm lucky because I only saw 1 of them, but I got out of there because I don't like being around those guys. So I just came back and landed. You know, with gas being what I pay, I think $7 a gallon. If I got no place to go, then I'm probably not going to stay up too long. Just keep everything running right. But yeah, I think it's $6.98 a gallon. It's getting expensive. Thank you, Joe Biden. You know what. Anyways, I'm going to shove this back in its house and go home.